You're watching How Leap. Let's listen to ChatGPT text in audio. On the ChatGPT website, after receiving a response, look for the small speaker icon that appears next to the text. Click this icon to hear the response read aloud by an AI voice. If you don't see this icon, you can use your device's built-in screen reader on a Mac. Enable VoiceOver by pressing Command F5, then navigate to the text. On Windows, use Narrator by pressing Win+Scroll+Enter. For a more universal method, copy the ChatGPT text and paste it into a text-to-speech service like Google Text-to-Speech or a website like ttsreader.com. On your iPhone, you can use the Speak Selection feature. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Spoken Content, and turn on Speak Selection. Then highlight the text in ChatGPT and tap Speak. On Android, use Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google, read this," while the text is on screen. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.